Now we're going to talk about producing an actual sound on the clarinet. We're going to use the techniques we used, such as breathing and the embouchure things we discussed earlier. Rule number one, you put the reed on your lower bottom lip, and then you put your upper teeth on top of the upper teeth of the mouthpiece. And then slowly you close your corners of the sides of your lips, and then you tuck them in. So I'll show you. This is how it looks. And once you establish the pressure, what you need to do is take the big breath, like we did before, and push it out as hard as you can. You want to make sure that you don't put the entire front of the mouthpiece inside your mouth. You want to make sure you're grabbing maybe a little less than the halfway of the front of the mouthpiece, and your bottom lip should be taking a little more reed on the bottom. What it does, the more reed you have, the more vibration of the reed you get. So response is much quicker. I'll introduce you to a technique that shows an incorrect way of playing. You're getting a wrong sound by if you're grabbing too much mouthpiece, you're getting a squeaky noise. But the right way is to have it just a little more than the middle.